Hello, welcome back. Last time, if you recall, I said I was going to look for one of the aides, and I found him, but he was the one who gave me flash. So I went and found the other one. Here he is. But look, 30. Nightmare. And I tried saying yes, but no, only 22. So 8 more, and I can get the item finder. And only 28 more, and I can get an experience share. Oh, nightmare. Right. So I'm going to head back to Fuchsia. Which is down there. There we go. It's a weird flying map, isn't it, with all the flashing and all this. I don't think I've ever used it before then. Before then. That was correct. I don't think I've used it before then. There's a comma. I just missed out the punctuation, that's all it was. So, Werden Wusenei. Meaning, where was I? Sorry. I was over here somewhere. Up here. There we go. Now, which route did I catch Snorlax on? I can't bloody remember. That one. 12. Oh, right, so 13, 14. It's all fair game. Be gone, be gone, be gone, be gone, be gone, be gone. They are gone. Be. Gone, be gone. Yes. Yes, I would. Thank you. Yes, yeah, thank you. Something good, please. Oh, that's not good. It's not good at all. I'll try and egg bomb it. Yeah! Bomb you with eggs. There we go. I'm not interested in Ditto. What do I want Ditto for? In a Nuzlocke. Can't breed shit, can I? You certainly can't breed shit. He's a bird catcher. Yeah. Preemptive, look at this. Whom? Whom should I be? Try this dude. See how it goes. What do I say? Oh, I promised there would be no smut. I'm sorry, I couldn't resist. Birdkeeper Benny Hill. Hornizak. I love that crying. And then Fearo's. Oh, here we go, here we go. Oh, wrong one. I can do better than that. There we go. Yes. Back at you. I will take him. Oh, enough of this taking business. Bloody hell, don't start that again. Oh no! What happened there? Oh well. A poison got him. 34. Blimey O'Reilly. He's winning at the moment. If you say so. Crazy man. Okie dokie. Oh. Ah. Another bird keeper. Yeah, power plant. I don't know whether to use repels and try and catch Zapdos or not, essentially. Or do I like just catch the first thing I find normally because it'd be easier to train? I don't know. I do not know. What I really want to do is encounter an Electabuzz. That'd be quite good. Wait, can you find them outside the power plant in this generation? I can't remember. I know you can in like Gold and Silver and all that, but that's because there's nothing inside. Blimey, attack. It's from all those poison types. I'm joking. Why did I lose? I don't know. Oh, I see. I just consider. Hey, you might not know this. I only found this out recently. Uno dos tres. Hey, look at that. I took Uno. Is that dos? Mult tres? Oh, amazing. Okay. All of you probably knew that already, didn't you? I didn't. Go on then. All these bird keepers all over the place. Nope, done it already, mate. Marlon. Marlon. Is, piz, lem, squiz. You get me. No, be right. Watch this, eh? Watch this. Yeah, go in. That's showing. Yeah. There'll be plenty in the speed and attack increases for a Rikakaka after this. I love it, I love it. Classic. Everyone knows that. Old tri-attack stuff. It's like a legend, isn't it? Move tri-attack. I should use something else then. So people are like, oh yeah, tri-attack, everyone loves it, but no one ever really uses it. On Togekiss with tri-attack, you can only get that through Colosseum whatever, which I didn't have. Colosseum whatever. That's the one. Yeah, you know, Pokemon Colosseum whatever. That one, right. Okie dokie. Interesting to know. Interesting to note, maybe. Beck, Glenn Beck, you twat. So. Ping. That was the end of that chapter. I think I'll change. But whom? Go for Andy. Go for Bruce. FireRed give out speed EVs. I know this for a fact because I've used them before in Heart Gold by the power plant. They all give out speed there, unless it's night time, in which case you find Quagsires. Oh dear, that didn't do a lot, did it? That's my tack down, isn't it? Yeah. Stick with the specials then. Too much too young. I shouldn't do too much. Yeah, sorted. Oh, come on, flamethrower. Need to get to flamethrower. I think it's level 38 or something he learns it though. It's a nightmare. Ooh. We all knew that though, didn't we? Don't any dumb mofos on there. Sticky. Any items? There we go. Without the item finder, there's going to be a lot of this, I'm afraid. Oh, it was like a bird keeper again. It's like a nightmare, this. I'm not using Destruct on, you may have noticed. Doing face in the corner like some bloody horner person. I'll use Fly for a bit just to conserve PP. PP. Oh no! Did you double the damage or something? It's a nightmare. I didn't know that. Ooh. Oh, I meant to say no. Okay. Up or on high. Ah, you lose. Nicely done, Bruce. Bruceimatron. Mercy bonus. Brucey Mc what's it? Bruce. What? Let's give a Brick Rake. They do about the same because Ember's such a weak bloody move. Ridiculous, Miculous. Oh no. No, I did out. No. Nope. What am I gonna do? Oh, the mic didn't pick up that. That was terrible. Burn him. Yes. Yeah, I can live with that. Yeah, I can live with that. Yeah, I can live with that. Yeah, I can. Oh, it stopped. Hurt by the burn. Right, yeah, they certainly do. That's the mine. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go back and heal because I'm a cheapskate. But I'll do that in the gap. So, next time.